Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's good to be back, getting back on the water, finally. So today we're aboard my brother's boat, a 6.5 foot Haines Hunter Patriot. So he was nice enough to spend the day with us on a Sunday. I think it's about 5:30 in the morning. So we're launching out of Appletree Bay on the Hawkesbury River. Our plan is to head out and catch some live bait, some slimy mackerels and some yakkers, and then we'll see how far we can go with that. It's not really the best time of the month to be going out fishing, I find it anyway. The water's not warm enough, but we're going to give it a red hot go anyway and see how we go. So obviously this is our first video, or my first video anyway, of recording a fishing video, but we're going to see how we go. Let's see if we catch some fish. But we'll put a video together anyway. So if you're looking to find out how to catch yakkers, watch further along and we'll show you our technique and what we use. But as you see here, we're just taking the boat off the trailer. So we're just adding a little bit of power to release the hitch. It's automatic, and then backing down off the trailer. Once you're off the trailer and you want to dock your boat, you don't want speed. So you just want to put it in gear and take it out. So only split seconds in gears, just enough momentum to move the boat. And once you keep doing that under repeat, you can just gently come aside the wharf. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, welcome back. Doing something a little bit different today. Let's go catch some fish. Out here with my brother Jace. See what we can do today. Alright, let's get on with it. Alright guys, just out here catching some yakkers. I'll show you how to do it. So what you want to do, you want to get a pilly and fillet it. Can't do it one hand, I'll put you up here. Alright, so you get yourself a pilly. Run a fillet down here, just like so. Cut him to little strips. And then you want to sacrifice these three, squish them up, furley up the water. If you can't see them, you're not going to get them. But we've pre-burleyed up the water. So my brother's got one line out now. You can use just a single hand line. You can use a multi-hook. You can see that. So you got a couple of hooks on there. Just put a little bit of pilchard on each of them. This one takes a little bit of effort to put all your little baits on. Mind the finger, just a bit of damage yesterday. But just like so. You don't want too much on there, but just enough to entice them. Just like so. There you go. There's one there. Nice yakka, good size. So we got a little, just a burley trap down there. Let's give it a shake every now and then. Oh. There you go. That's a double one. Just like that. And they're a bit slimy, so you can grab them by your hands just like this. Just get enough to fill out your day, and whatever you don't use, just throw back, just keep them in the live well. That's it. There's a nice yakka. That's it, guys. How to catch yakkas. You can't see them, you're not going to get them. So make sure you burley up. Burley's the key. They're very slimy. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he just got it. We just pressed the button and tilted it up there.
It's just low in the water, that one, eh?
I think that's enough.
Yeah. Alright, well, we've got enough for today. Let's get start fishing. Alright, so we've got the liveys out. We've got 2 liveys on each rod here. Try to see how that goes. But look at this day. Bit of overcast, but such a nice day. Maybe about half a metre of a swell. But all in all, looks like it's going to be a pretty good day. Might get a bit of rain, but we'll see how that plans out.
And there is really good.
Sounds as it's showing some action a little bit. Let's see how it goes.
Chuck the prawn in.
Yeah, we can. Alright, so we move spots. Karen, you got to get the bamboo topper for your mattress.
No, that's beautiful. The mattress. It's a real mattress.
Yeah, I know, but your topper is better as well.
So that's why it's very heavy at the front.
Fish on.
Huh?
Got a fish on.
I told you, it's good.
Only a baby.
Huh?
Bambino.
Where's my
Rock cod.
is it?
Yeah.
There's a baby one.
Yeah. One rock cod. Flounder. Yeah, Dad will.
That's beautiful. Don't leave it all hanging over there.
Yeah, Dad will eat that.
Yeah, I'll
Look
eat
at
it too.
Nice size flounder. We're going to put these now. Going to put them in there as well. Not a bad size flounder.
What's this
What
size?
you want? What is it? Put him on your ice or put him in here?
How much does it weigh?
What size is he?
Stop flexing. 28. It's a good one.
Nice. Put him in with the liveys. Alright. Just knock him on the head. Where's that knocker?
On the outer Central Coast,
There we go.
they keep you covered for years to come. Decency Supply, operators organism.
Get the big blue net under there.
Head pressure.
The sharks. I only got the sharks.
You got the pliers?
Yeah, in the top of my bag.
It's easier to get the hook out. He's got tough. Let it go. Yeah. Want to give him a kiss? You gonna hold him up?
No way. What?
No, he doesn't bite.
He's got a sting on the back.
No, that's not stingers. I'll just show the camera and I'll flip them around.
Chicken in the floor. Take a photo and send it. Okay.
Not bad shovel nose. I think it's a shovel nose anyway. I think he's kicking himself in the head. A little bit baby one or what?
This is baby one.
Baby.
It's my yaka.
Whiting.
Huh?
It's a whiting.
It's my yaka.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay, hold it. Quick before you get him with the towel.
He's off. Yeah, it's only it's a whiting.
Sand whiting. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
full of sauce. How much?
I think it's gotta be 25, I think. These fucking fingers so sore. 25 they're gotta
Where's the whiting?
be. W. 27. No, this is not big enough.
Oh, bloody hell.
No, he's not big enough. It's 25. Off you go, champ.
I've got to catch something to eat, mate.
You got a flounder.
Give me one of those.
You shit all over my hand.
Going up one strong combo that you can take anywhere. Don't go the breakable ones. They are pretty shitty, to be honest. They're pretty bad. If we go, I'll get one.
Right. Go. Right?
Yep. Alright guys, that's it for today. You can see that water is very dirty. Look at it. Look at all that. Alright, now the hard task to go back home now and we'll go wash it. But yeah, I didn't do very well today. But if you realise I haven't posted in maybe I think 7 days or a little bit more. It's been crook for the last 5 days and the kids have been sick, so just been a bit on duty. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, hit the comment and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Alright guys, catches.